Hey everybody, it's Christine with Coco Daisy, and I know that we did a little unboxing of our Christmas kit on reveal night on our live, but that was at the very end of the video, and I thought, you know what, we'll make a special unboxing of just our Christmas kit, and I wanted to share it with you. There's a few we have left in the store. We've shipped out all the pre-orders, and we have a few left in the store, and I wanted to show you this. So in case you wanted to snatch one up, you can do that now. So I'm just gonna kind of go through this a minute and show you all of the fun stuff that is in here. And I have started setting up my planner for December, and I am using a number of these items in my planner. And then I'm also gonna use a bunch of them in my my Daisy planner for my memory planning. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that. So we have the washi tape. I'm actually gonna open this one because I do not have mine here. So if you get a Christmas kit with the washi opened, that's from the video. So that makes it extra special, right? So I'm gonna try and get this open. This is why I usually have them open, but I can show you. So it has a beautiful poinsettias on there, and the greenery, isn't that pretty? So that is the washi tape. And that washi tape is only in the Christmas kit. And then we have our adorable little Simon clip, and he is popping out of a present. Isn't that cute? And I love the colors of this because you could actually, because it has the pink and the red, and there's not any green on here, you could actually use that for Valentine's Day too, I think. So that's our little Simon popping out of the present. And then you get 6 of the little glitter star die cuts. And I'm not gonna take these out of the package, but you can see them. So there's 6 of them, 3 sizes, 2 of each size, and they are adhesive backed. So they're just a real pretty fine glitter. And then we have 2 embroidery stars, one gold, one silver, and these are adhesive backed as well. So you have those. And then the stamp set, which I'll take it out of here so maybe we can cut down on the glare a little bit. And this is a fun Christmas set. You can definitely use this with the tag and with the square here if you wanted to add numbers. If you were doing some sort of a document December or a December daily type of album or notebook for the month of December, for the holidays, you could totally use this set for that. Add the numbers for the date in each one of those. And if you go on our YouTube channel, you can see my stamping video where I show some great ways on how to use this stamp, and then also this stamp with the other 2 stamp sets that we had in the Winter Twilight collection. So make sure you check that out because I share a lot of fun tips on how to use those. And then our little star glitter dots in all of the beautiful blues. Those pretty? I love the teeny tiny ones. We have a set of those. And again, those have a low enough profile. You could totally use them in your planner as well as for memory keeping too. So if you wanted to use this in your planner, you could use it in your planner. You could use it in your memory keeping. You could make a December daily or a document December album, or your memory planner. There's so many different ways to use all this stuff. So I'm going to show you the die cuts. So we'll go through these a minute. So we have a tab sticker. There's a cute little Santa hat and a little holly leaf. And then this beautiful cluster, kind of floral and greens. And there's a couple more of the nice little label die cuts. And remember, these are all adhesive backed, so they all have, I can do this, probably the wrong shape to try and do this with my nails. There we go. So they are adhesive backed, so you can take that off then. So they're basically like stickers, easy peasy to what matters most. Oh, and you have these great trees. That one has the little twinkle lights. That one's in a fun little basket. This is one of my favorites. The little mug with the gloves. And there's a snowman. stocking and a gift. And I love the artwork is not necessarily vintage, but it's not modern. So to me, it kind of has a modern traditional vibe to it, if that's a thing. And then this little one that says, oh, what fun. We have a 25 and a candy cane. And then you have, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Bring on the cheer. Spread good cheer, making new traditions. And then the little arrow with the merry and bright. So those are the die cuts. And then you get 3 ribbon clip toppers. So I'm not gonna take them out of the card, but I am gonna take them out of the package just to kind of get rid of the glare for you. So you can see this is actually, I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's actually a music sheet pattern on that beautiful kind of dark evergreen green. And then a pretty little snowflake pattern, and then the same pattern as on the washi tape. It has the floral with the greeneries on it and the poinsettias. So you have those. There's all kinds of fun stuff in here. And then you get a few note cards. This one is my absolute favorite. I put this in the front of my planner. It's so cute. The little reindeer with the Christmas bulbs on his antlers. And then the best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear. And then the cute little car with the tree on top. And these are single-sided. And then this one with the little presents. So cute. And then there's a larger one as well with the stockings. I'll tuck that there. And then you get 3 sheets of stickers. And this one has some sayings on it. There's Christmas Eve, Merry Christmas, Joyful, Let It Snow. So that is a nice little set. And then you have one that's mostly just artwork then. That little bird in the Santa hat is adorable. And then you have all of the numbers. And again, this is if you're doing some sort of a Christmas or a holiday memory book, like a document December, this is great because it has all of your countdown to 25 to Christmas Day of the little stickers. These would be fun to layer. If you took these, a few of them you could layer with the stamp, because some of them would fit in here with some of the blue ones with some of the glitter stars, or even the silver glitter stars layered with these would be really, really cute to do. So you have those. And then the Puffy Snowflakes, and I love these. Someone made a comment when we posted the sneak of these, and I'm gonna try and see if you can see them. They almost look like frosted cookies because they're not just flat puffy stickers. We've started doing, if the design allows it, certain designs you can't do it, but we emboss them and they look so cool. The texture on the dimension on them is so amazing. So get a set of those, and there's a few little stars on there as well. And again, you could layer these with the silver stars, with the little date stickers would be really fun. A set of red alpha stickers, and they're puffy as well. And then let me go through these. So you have this pretty vellum that has the silver stars, and there it's foiled, and then a beautiful overlay. And again, that's that same pattern that is on the washi tape. And the other thing I want to note, it's hard to see until you see it in real life, but the background on this is actually sheet music. So I don't know if you can see it in there, but when you get it at home, look real close, and the background on that is actually sheet music, which is really fun. And then you get 6 sheets of paper, and these are double-sided. And these are not in any of our memory keeping kits because they're more Christmas oriented. They have the Christmas colors, the red and the green, the beautiful plaid, and then the pine branches. And this looks to me kind of like a sweater pattern in the blues, and another blue, and then the candy canes, and then my favorite, which is the red snowflake. So you get those 3, and again, remember they're double-sided. So you get 6 sheets of paper, and they're all So you don't have to choose. That's the nice thing. So you can actually have you get one of each, because if you really like the candy cane and you really like the snowflakes, don't worry, you get 2 sheets, so you don't have to choose between them, which is why we do that. So that is all of the goodies that you get in our Christmas add-on kit. Like I mentioned, we have a few of these available in the store. You can find them under the current kit. So if you take that link, it will take you to the winter twilight section, and you can find the Christmas kit listed there. So if you've already received yours, I hope you're having fun. I hope you're mapping out what you're going to use it for. And there's a few things that I'm going to do with mine, and I'll share those as we go. So thanks so much for joining me.